Hello friends, in this video I will tell you the features of a Bacon 969S soldering iron. The professional soldering iron kit is equipped with a large LCD display with a beautiful interface that can clearly show the precise temperature without any visual pressure that is easy to see with aging eyes. This permanent jewelry welder kit easy to use, with the instruction manual. You can easily start your soldering work. This soldering station works on 110-240V with its USA plug. You can easily adjust the menu button to toggle the temperature display in degree C or degree F with degree C/degree F conversion function. The micro soldering kit has a password lock function. By setting the password, you can save your default settings and temperature, maintain temperature stability and safety in use. Cotton Para Soldar Electrico will be your private partner. Bacon soldering iron station uses a high-power ceramic heating core, paired with rapid heat system, reach the melting point 662 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 seconds. Fast heating up, no long heating process before using. You can set your desired temperature from 180 degrees C, 480 degrees C, 356 degree F, 896 F degree. With the high-end precision PID program, the soldering kit for electronics can monitor and correct the actual temperatures at high speed to provide the accuracy that your projects ask for. As a professional manufacturer of hardware instruments, we know the importance of safety. The soldering iron station is equipped with high-temperature resistant silicone wire, anti-static design, ESD safety, making the soldering iron kit safer and more efficient. The soldering station also provides heating core short-circuit protection. When the heating element and sensor are abnormally short-circuited, the machine will automatically alarm and remind you. Our soldering station's perfect for beginners and expert users. The Bacon 969S soldering iron kit can be used for DIY hobbies, home appliance repair, factory production, SOP, dip, SOIC welding, etc. Provide an optimal experience for your work. Please don't hesitate to contact us if have any question about our product or the instruction. We will reply to you no more than 24 hours. Bacon will be provided for a 1-year warranty after sales and lifetime technical support, and a 30-day full return. If you want to buy this product, click on the link given in the video description. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe our channel so that the notification of the new video will reach you. Visit our website for more product information.